Elevate your content creation and exploration with a high-quality drone that seamlessly blends functionality and fun. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to add cinematic flair to your projects or a travel vlogger seeking a fresh perspective, the right drone can be your perfect companion. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. In the ever-evolving world of drones, the DJI Mini 3 emerges as a beacon of innovation and affordability. Positioned as the 5th best drone on the market, its allure lies in the sweet spot between the Mini 2 and the high-end Mini 4 Pro. The camera steals the spotlight, boasting 4K 30 video capability with an HDR flare, offering a cinematic touch to your footage. A 60-degree upward tilt captures breathtaking angles, making it a dream for creators seeking versatility. The 12-megapixels camera, adorned with f1.7 optics, paints dawn and dusk with a mesmerizing palette. Safety is paramount with GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home features. Weighing a mere 8 ounces, the DJI Mini 3 flits through the skies without the FAA registration fuss. A commendable 38-minute flight time ensures prolonged creativity, though obstacle detection remains a missed opportunity. Priced at $469, it's a budget-friendly marvel for creators diving into the world of TikTok and YouTube. For those seeking a slightly more economical option, the Mini 2 beckons, while the Mini 4 Pro caters to those willing to splurge for obstacle avoidance. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro soars to the number 4 spot on our list of best drones, and its accolades are well-earned. This aerial marvel boasts a 4/3 format sensor, dressed in the vibrant hues of a Hasselblad color profile, delivering cinematic brilliance in both stills and footage right out of the camera. Navigating the skis with grace, its all-around obstacle sensors effortlessly dance around impediments, while integrated GPS ensures a steady flight. Clocking in at an impressive 35-minute flight time in testing, it not only captures breathtaking moments but does so safely. For the discerning filmmaker, the Pro Cine Edition beckons at $47.99, offering a 1TB SSD, ProRes 422 video support, and the RC Pro remote. Meanwhile, budget-conscious creators can embrace the Classic Edition at $21.99, forfeiting telephoto cameras and internal storage without compromising on quality. Ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, and vloggers, the Mavic 3 Pro is a creative companion that demands attention, necessitating FAA registration for its weight and an operator's license for lucrative projects. With a stabilized triple-camera array, up to 5.1K 30 or 4K 120 video capabilities. The Mavic 3 Pro is a symphony of technology for the skies. Step into the world of aerial creativity with the DJI Air 3. Crowned as the number 3 best drone, a testament to its prowess in the sky. This marvel of technology merges innovation with emotion, offering pilots an array of possibilities through its 24mm wide-angle and 70mm mid-telephoto lens. The gimbal-stabilized camera captures life's moments with a cinematic touch, providing a canvas for artistic expression. Fear not the unexpected, for the Air 3 boasts a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, transforming every flight into a ballet of precision. It's not just a drone, it's a guardian, making manual flights virtually crash-proof. The long-lasting battery, coupled with sharp 4K video and stellar still image quality, completes this aerial package. For those seeking the Goldilocks of drones, more than the DJI Mini 4 Pro, but not quite the splurge of the Mavic 3 Pro, the Air 3 emerges as the perfect middle ground. Its dual-camera setup elevates your visual storytelling, offering an upgrade without breaking the bank. Embrace the sky's canvas and capture life's tapestry. The DJI Air 3 awaits, priced at $1099. The DJI Air 2S soars beyond its rivals, claiming the prestigious number 2 spot among the best drones. What sets it apart is its photographic prowess, boasting an oversized Type 1 sensor that transforms the mundane into a visual symphony. With a staggering 20 megapixels, this drone eclipses the DJI Mini series, delivering stills that redefine the art of aerial photography. But it's not just about stills. The Air 2S elevates videography with 5.4K 30 and 4K 60 video capabilities, offering HDR, flat, or standard profiles. For those who paint with pixels, the Type 1 sensor becomes a canvas, capturing a dynamic range that beckons creativity. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's woven into the Air 2S's DNA. GPS location, obstacle sensors, and ADS-B for aircraft warnings ensure a secure flight. The drone dances in the sky for 30 minutes on a single charge, a testament to its endurance. Priced at $800, the DJI Air 2S is a steal for creators seeking a drone that doesn't just capture moments, but crafts visual epics. It's more than a gadget, it's a partner in the pursuit of the perfect shot. Unleash your creativity and capture the world from new heights with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, crowned as the numero uno among drones. Weighing a mere 8 ounces, this featherlight marvel grants you 34 minutes of flight time, keeping your FAA registration free. For those craving more airtime, an extended life battery extends flights to a breathtaking 45 minutes. Dive into the cinematic realm with a quad-bayer camera delivering mesmerizing 4K 60 HDR video, accompanied by a full 360-degree obstacle avoidance stance. What truly elevates the Mini 4 Pro is the enchanting APAS function, a digital dance partner guiding the drone through intricate spaces, even at low altitudes. This drone isn't just for enthusiasts, it's a siren call to cinematographers seeking an aerial B camera and creators yearning for smart obstacle avoidance. TikTok luminaries rejoice, for it supports the vertical 9:16 video format. Crafted for those who yearn for more, the Mini 4 Pro is a worthy upgrade, promising portability, breathtaking video quality, and a seamless flight experience. For a price tag of $959, it's not just a drone, it's a ticket to a skyward symphony of creativity. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.